Good morning, guys, and happy Friday. I hope you are doing well. It's Coupons with Abby, and we're about to head out to Walmart this morning and do some Ibotta, Swagbucks, and Shopkicks shopping today. I am super excited. I'm sorry, the sun is everywhere, but so excited because there's so many great rebates on all these rebate apps, and that is the key to getting all these things at the grocery store for a low total, even free sometimes, is executing and using these rebate apps. And if you are unaware of these rebate apps or not signed up yet, I have all of the links in the description box so you guys can go ahead and sign up with those, and they will be put my referral links throughout the video on the screen. So I absolutely love them. They are my favorite. And yeah, I have an Ibotta bonus for $1 for 10 offers, so it's not the greatest, but combining all of the rebate apps makes it a greater haul. So I am super stoked. I don't know how many times I can say that, and it's also been maybe 3 weeks since I've been to Walmart, so I am even more pumped because I don't know what to expect. I usually go about once a week, and since we got sick and all that mess, I just never made it out to Walmart. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It would mean so much to me. And if you are not subscribed, I would love to have you here, and would love if you would consider subscribing and joining my little family here. We are super excited to have you. And I will have the printable list down in the description box as well, so you could take it in a store with you and knock out these bonuses and these rebates with me. And we are just gonna go ahead and get to the store. I have the baby in the back seat with me. I think he has the hiccups actually, but we're gonna go ahead and see what we can grab today at Walmart. My store finally has these Old Spice trial sizes in stock at $1.47. So we're going to go ahead and pay that out of pocket and use Shopkicks for this deal. So Shopkicks is giving us back 20 scan kicks for scanning in the store and 600 purchase kicks. Now with the scan kicks, go ahead and scan the bigger bottle because that will go ahead and get you your 20 points. And then with the purchase kicks, we should be able to get back our 600 for purchasing. So that is equivalent to $2.48, making this free plus a 101 moneymaker. And here I'm showing you that bigger bottle to go ahead and scan to get those scan kicks. And again, with Shopkicks, you just multiply your 620 kicks by 0.004 to get that total of 248. You guys have definitely seen me do this deal before. The Oral-B 3-pack toothbrushes at $1.97. We have $2 coupons from the May P&G. It is a limit of 2, so we're going to go ahead and grab 2 of these today. And these do expire on Saturday, so this is definitely a 2-day deal from when I'm posting this, but they're absolutely free, and they will give us about 6 cents in overage. We're going to go ahead and grab one of these Colgate Max Clean 3 value packs at $5.96, and we will pay that out of pocket. Ibotta is offering us $5 back for purchasing this, which makes it 96 cents. I think that is a great, easy, newbie-friendly deal, getting started with Ibotta and working towards our bonuses we have today. So now we have a Swagbucks deal on the Clorox Splashless Bleach. It has to be the splashless. We're going to go ahead and buy 2 at $2.48 each, so $4.96. We'll pay $4.96 out of pocket, and Swagbucks will give us back $5, y'all, making it free plus a 4-cent moneymaker, and I love to be stocked on bleach. We have a Shopkicks freebie, so the Nestle Pure Life Purified Water, this big 101.4 fluid ounce bottle, is $1. We're going to pay that out of pocket, and Shopkicks is giving us back 15 scan kicks and 250 buy kicks, which is equivalent to 106, making it free plus a 6-cent moneymaker. All know what's up with the Powerade Ultra. It's $1. We're going to pay that out of pocket, get back 20 cents, making it 80 cents from Ibotta, and it just gets me to my bonus a lot quicker. That's why I keep going and grabbing it. A Sargento Creamery sliced cheese, specifically the creamery one, and I lost it, but I'll find it here. There it is. It is $2.95. We have a $1 printable coupon from coupons.com that is still available to print. You'll pay $1.95 after that coupon, get back $1 from Ibotta, making it just 95 cents. I normally wouldn't buy fancy cheese like this for my family, but if it's only 95 cents, I gotta take it. I have been doing this deal for a hot minute. The Hormel Black Label Egg Bites, they are $2.68. And look at that, they still have 50-cent peelies. I told y'all they don't sell, I guess. We have $1 printable coupons that we're actually going to use. We're not going to use that 50-cent peely because we'll pay $1.68 out of pocket today, get back $1 from Ibotta, making it just 68 cents. So this deal, I love it. I can't get enough of it. So we have this deal on the Malto Meal cereal, the 33-ounce bags. Oh my gosh, they are $4.82 each. So we're gonna go ahead and buy one of the Tutti Fruities, and we're gonna buy one of the Berry Colossal Crunch. So that's $9.64, and we are gonna pay $9.64 out of pocket. But we're gonna get back $2 for each bag on Ibotta, so $4. We're also gonna get back 50 cents for hitting our Malto Meal bonus on Ibotta, and $5.24 from Shopkicks. So 1,300 purchase kicks for the Malto Meal bundle and 5 scan kicks for each cereal. That leaves us at free and a 10-cent moneymaker. And guys, this cereal is going to last me a hot minute. These bags are huge, so this is a killer deal. We're going to grab a peanut butter chocolate and a dark cherry chocolate core bar at $2.24 each, pay that out of pocket, and get back $1.12 for each of them on Ibotta, so 50% back, making them only $1.12 each, which isn't a bad deal, and it gets us to our bonus a lot faster. I originally planned to get the Palmolive dish spray and the Healthy Choice freebie dressing. My store did not carry those items, but those breakdowns will still be in the Google document for y'all in case your store does carry those items. They were stocking the shelves over on the aisle, so we're going to show it here. The Sheila G's Brownie Brittle is $2.88. We're going to pay that out of pocket. Get back $1 from Ibotta, making it $1.88. And these things are delicious. Another easy rebate to go ahead and get to our bonus, the Coca-Cola is 88 cents. We're going to pay that out of pocket and get back 25 cents from Ibotta, making it just 63 cents. We're also going to grab a Fanta at 88 cents and pay that out of pocket and get back 60 cents from Ibotta, making that just 28 cents. So this is everything we are grabbing today. I am super excited for all of this. We have only a few coupons, but y'all, this is insane, and I'm hoping we stay under $10 today. So let's go check out and see how everything goes. Alright, so you're out from Walmart and everything went perfectly smooth at checkout, and the one thing I will say is that they did not have the Palmolive dish spray, but they had a spot for it, so I guess everybody's just been hopping on that deal and I'm late to the game, so a little bummed I couldn't get that. And they also did not have the Healthy Choice dressing, which is a freebie after you purchase, so that kind of stunk too. And my replacements for those items were the core bars, where I got 50% back, so that was okay. That was a little easy rebate. I do want to note that in the Google document though, I did type additional deals. I put additional deals in there that I didn't do today that you guys may consider doing for your Ibotta haul. I like to go ahead and have backups just because, you know, things like that in store that happen, like all those new free offers and those new items, I know my store is not going to have right away, so I always give myself additional deals as my backup plan, which is the key to doing this. You don't want to be in the store flustered and not know what to get. You always should have a couple of backup items. So other than that, checkout was smooth. And then I forgot, I don't know what I was thinking. Usually I try to do the Swagbucks and Shopkicks deals on a separate receipt, and then the additional deals on one receipt, because Swagbucks and Shopkicks, they don't process fast if it's all together. So I did it all together accidentally, but Swagbucks gave me my $5 back right away. Shopkicks is still processing, and I can tell y'all it's gonna take at least 3 or 4 days for it to process it, just because I goofed and put it on a long receipt. It's not really long, but Shopkicks, like, you just gotta go slow with it. You don't want to overload Shopkicks, you know? So I submitted all my receipts. We're gonna go home, lay it all out, do the final numbers. Super excited about this cereal. That is huge bags of cereal. That is insane. I think I'm gonna give one bag to my brother and keep one for our house, but I think it's a great haul. I feel so happy to be back in the swing of rebate shopping, and being able to use all 3 rebate apps today was phenomenal. So we're gonna get home, see the final numbers, and see how much our groceries cost us today. All right, we made it home from Walmart, and this is everything we grabbed today. Lots of Swagbucks, Shopkicks, and Ibotta deals, as well as a couple of items that was giving us a little bit of overage and just being free. So yeah, this is everything we got. We did the Oral-B toothbrushes. There was no rebate, but we had those $2 coupons from the P&G, making them absolutely free and about 2 or 3 cents of overage. And then we did the Old Spice. That was a Swagbucks deal. Colgate, Ibotta deal. The Sargento was a Ibotta deal. All of those drinks were Ibotta deals. The core bars were my replacement items for not finding the Palmolive dish spray. And what was the other thing I was looking for? The Healthy Choice dressing that would have been free after offer. So those were Ibotta rebates, if I didn't say. The Malto meals, they were an Ibotta and Shopkicks rebate, so that was super fun. The Brownie Brittle, that was a Ibotta rebate. Clorox was the Swagbucks rebate, and then the Nestle water right there, that was a Shopkicks rebate. So overall, this is everything we got today. I'm going to go over my receipt with y'all. So here we have the Malto Meal cereals. We have the Clorox bleach, the Brownie Brittle, the bacon egg. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. The bacon egg bites are not here because when we got home, I decided to eat those for breakfast because they are super good. And I think I've told you before, but I coat it in like pancake syrup and it makes it 10 times better. So I ate that for breakfast, but we had that. So yeah. We have the coupon for that, I'm sorry. The Sargento Creamery, the $1 coupon. We have both of our core bars at $2.24. The Old Spice body wash at $1.47. Our Coke at $1.88. The Powerade Ultra was $1. The Fanta was $1.88. The Oral-B toothbrushes were both $1.97 with our $2 coupons. The Colgate, the 3 value pack was $5.96, and our Nestle Pure Life was $1. So our subtotal was $38.72 after coupons. $40.83 with tax, but everybody's tax is different, so we just count our subtotal. So we paid $38.72 out of pocket today. We got back our $5 from Swagbucks for the Clorox Splashless Bleach. We also are pending 2,150 kicks from Shopkicks, which is equivalent to $8.60. I told you on the car I did this all in one receipt. So Shopkicks is most likely going to take 3 to 4 days, maybe even a week to process it. But since I scanned everything in store, I guarantee I will get my $8.60 back worth from Shopkicks. Ibotta. In total, counting bonuses, $16.79. So about $15 were rebates. The $1 was for my Weekend Warrior, and then 50 cents was for the Malto Meal bonus. So after all of those rebates, and we paid $38.72, that leaves our total at $8.33, or about 50 cents per item, which really isn't that bad considering the cereal together was $9 alone. So I am pretty happy with this haul. I mean, we got some great finds. The bleach, I'm super excited for. And of course, you know, I wish we could have found those freebies and then the Palmolive dish spray, but all good. Like I mentioned, there is a Google document down in the description box that has additional deals, so you don't have to follow all these deals I do today. I have listed a couple others that you can do as well. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I will be sure to respond to y'all as soon as possible. Let me know if you're doing any Ibotta shopping this weekend for your Weekend Warrior, or if you even got one. And that basically sums it up. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and supporting, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!